So let's get started on making your Pinterest profile the most beautiful ever. Now, I do need to warn you that this is only for business accounts on Pinterest. If you have a regular, normal, personal use account, you're not going to be able to do this. So if you're watching this, you are most likely using Pinterest for business, and that means you should set up a Pinterest for business account. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a link so you can go watch how to get that all set up so that your account is squared away, and then you can follow the steps in this video. Here we are on my Pinterest account, and it's a business Pinterest account. So up at the top, and this is how you can kind of tell the difference between personal and business, up at the top, you can see all of my pins tiled in this vertical slash a little bit tilted way. So we want to maybe edit this a little bit because like this isn't my pin, this is from someone else. I've got a lot of the same stuff over and over, and you might have seen people who have these absolutely beautiful covers on their Pinterest account. And how are they doing that? Well, they're doing that with this little edit button up here. So you can choose what kind of pins are going to show here at the top. I have my profile showing my latest pins, and that's because I don't want to come in here and change this out seasonally. And I know that I'm going to be pinning content that is seasonally relevant. So I know that this is always going to show what is most popular right now seasonally. But maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you only want to have no text images up here, or maybe you only want to highlight content from a particular board. So here's how to do that. You can click this little edit button, and it's going to allow you to choose the pins to feature in your profile. So you can do latest pins, you can do recent activity, which are pins that people have saved from your claimed website and your linked accounts. And if you remember, we had some videos on how to link your Etsy account and your YouTube channel, etc., to your Pinterest account. So this would feature pins from both of those places, or you can choose a board. Now, if you want to have a lot of control over what this looks like, you can create a board just with pins for your cover. I would recommend that you use your own pins because you want people to see your brand. And let's say that you wanted them all to be pins without words. Set up a board of your own that says like our favorite food or something like that, and it would be all of your food pins that don't have words on them. And then that's the board that you would set as your feature board up here at the top of your account. I'm going to go ahead and keep mine as is to be my latest pins. And once you've chosen the board, whichever you decide to do, click done, and it's going to tile all of those results across the top. And these will change over time because they show chronologically based on what you've pinned most recently to whichever that featured board is. Now, like I said, if you don't yet have a Pinterest for Business profile, you definitely need to set that up. So click here, over here to watch the video for how to do that.